Hello everyone, you may have heard of the Red Gear Chameleon mechanical keyboard. This is an awesome RGB keyboard that is available under Rs 3000. Now let us review this product. On the front you have many LEDs, there are almost 104 keys. And also the USB connector is gold plated. As you can see, let's connect it to the PC and check the keyboard. As here's the back side of the keyboard and there are two standoffs. The standoffs are better clicky. And there is also a path to rail the wires of the keyboard. The wire is also highly braided and it is about 2 meters. There is a Red Gear Chameleon branding and the warranty sticker on the back of the keyboard. The keyboard is made up of metal and plastic. The metal used is iron. As you can see, there are so many light modes. We can control the light modes by clicking the function key and the scroll key simultaneously. This effect looks cool, right? However, there are many effects. You can also add custom presets to the LED lights. This is the static preset. There is nothing in it. All LEDs are on. And this is the custom preset. If we touch a key, then that LED is on. This is also good. Now let's test another key. This patterning is good, right? We can also control the brightness and the speed of the lighting. There are almost 4 speed and brightness adjustments. We can control it using the function key and the arrow keys. There is also 3 LEDs for scroll lock, number lock and caps lock. Now after the review is over, let's begin the typing test. That was all about our review and the typing test of the Red Gear Chameleon mechanical keyboard. Hope you liked it. Also, please subscribe to this channel. It will greatly encourage me to make more videos like this. Thanks for watching.